Hi guys, Cameron here from Cameron's Transport Channel. Welcome to another video. Today we are on board 309 towards Blythe and we've got going on the 5265. First time on this bus, so now I only need one more omnicity. Percy Main anyway.
One more what?
This is me. I need one more omnicity from 5263. Then I've basically been on all Percy Main's co-op omnicities. All Percy Main's corporate omnicities in the big days out want to get 63. I still need to go on a few more blue arrows though.
When we left corporate KKA.
What? Because one of them's returned home to the home depot, one of them. Omnicity 5263 is returned home. I haven't had this one before, like to see. This one's a former Coaster though. I know that is.
Seriously, the photo was delayed because we filmed it.
I don't think I want to film a 5265. Oh god. Oh god, guys. Oh god, look. 2802 on the X9. Oh my god. It'll be quiet, but if it gets a few passengers on, it'll be busy.
Yeah,
But we either haven't got some things, or we either need to get green flag common sense to the rest of you.
yeah. I've got a storage car. Hi guys, Aidan here from AMH. Welcome to another video. Today on the 309 to Blythe, we've got Go North 5265. Could be covering for a clip of that offer with
Yeah. Which I can't wait to see what they're like when they get back. I wonder if any of them have tables.
And yeah, apparently we don't get any buses.
Well, someone said they could put tables and they've got endless possibilities, so hopefully leather seats. They'll definitely get those, I think. That's the highest.
Maybe the ones that the street left have.
That'll be the newer style that the Taros and everything else have.
I think we're definitely on the 309 today, 525 earlier.
A big crowd.
I'll be off from the X7 after this.
Yeah, see when it comes. I don't even know. Might do what the 2 is. That's just up there,
Don't forget.
and hopefully I'll make. So if this one goes back out today, I think this one goes back to depot. I think anyway. And half hour later, then there'll be a video go on in half an hour. Like, well, whoever was on the 671 in half hour comes on the 309 in half an hour. Like, yeah.
I'll check it
Can't do it.
I'll check it in a minute. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
5265, first time on board. Let's go to the front so we'll come first off and get some pictures. There's 2. Is there another 2? There's a 2 in another obtenants. See which solo that is.
Probably going on the 1.
No, apparently not. One of them's 281, 2801. This one might be going back out to Newcastle. It's 6.
6, 9, 10.
We've had that one. Thank you. The X2 was only a Max 306 anyway. Don't forget to like and subscribe.